Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a whiteboard, so make sure to like and subscribe. And so let's start. And so these are the things you're going to need. A piece of cardboard that's the size of a paper but a little bit bigger. Some transparent paper the size of a normal paper. A white paper the size of your cardboard and your transparent paper. Some tape, and finally you're going to need glue. So take your glue and your white paper, and you're going to glue all around. Glue on the sides and just like all around it. Okay. So next you are going to attach your paper to the cardboard. And it'll look just like this. Next, take your transparent paper and put it on top. And it should be covering the whole entire paper. Okay. So now that you've put it on and it's covering all the paper, take your tape and tape it all around. Also, you may also want scissors for this step. Okay guys, so now that you've taped it, it is pretty much done, so let's test it out. Okay guys, I've got a whiteboard marker, so let's try this out. So, it looks good guys. So I think this pretty much worked. So, yeah, and let's see if it erases. Let's see if it erases. So guys, it erases. So that is good. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So like and subscribe, and bye.